Dear viewers, welcome to another episode of Anawa. I am working on a water issue. I've already posted several live videos and we have a problem here. The groundwater is rising. We are going to create a temporary solution so that the water is pumped out automatically. Because we have an issue with the land here. There is a hole in the floor here meant for a pump with a float, only the pump is missing and it's raining heavily right now. So the water continues to rise. We pumped out a lot of water here this morning, but it keeps coming back. So we are going to install a temporary solution and later on we will make it permanent and much cleaner. So if you watch these videos till the end, you will become a lot smarter. You will learn a lot. Let's get started. First, we're going to drain the water. Abdul, turn it on. Yes, there he goes. And we are going to use this pump from the DRP 30 Nova brand. It comes with a built-in float. This is really convenient because you don't have to worry about the float hitting anything since it's in the pump. Compared to other pumps, they sometimes have a float like a lever, or they have a cable with a ball that floats. This is also very useful, but for tight spaces it can sometimes get in the way. If your float hits something, the pump won't start. Okay, let's unpack it. A check valve is included. You're supposed to attach it. Make sure you place it correctly. It ensures that the water can't flow back. The float is behind this. This way it's stuck and it's always turned on. If you push it down, the float works. We're going to attach the check valve first. Make sure it points in the right direction, otherwise it won't work. If you put it on, it will work this way. Because solid is more than enough. I placed it right in the middle at the top. That's better. Do not drill from the bottom. Always sand thoroughly, even on the inside. Then we will use this handy hole piece. You don't need to glue these. They have applied rubber and use that to secure it in place. Just like this, make sure it's in the center of the hole. There's really no other way. And you tighten it. And you just do that by hand. Tight. It's that simple. Just for strength. It's not absolutely necessary, but it's a sensible thing to do. And it's a small effort. 40. Zo. We gaan hem... we moeten wel iets even tijdelijk iets regelen. Montage. Met zijn plugje erop. Oh. Oké, meneer, we zijn klaar.
Vindt u niet?